Dear students, in this video you will learn about different variables and type conversion, typecasting and input function, int functions in Python language. So you have to first install the Python ideally in your computer, then you can easily do the Python programming. So I am sharing this video for you so that you can learn Python very easily. I hope my video will help you to guide properly. Python ideally is a shell. So here whatever I am writing, it will be interpreted. The coding will be interpreted and we will get the result. The coding will be interpreted and the program will get run and you will get the result. So first of all, what I am doing here, that I am writing 20 within double quotation, so it will become a string. Whenever you are writing a number within a double quotation, it becomes string or text. Then I am trying to add 20 with 4, that is 4 is a number, but you know in Python you cannot add to different data types. That means you cannot add string with a number, so you will get an error. You will get an error. Here in the next line I have written that 20 plus 4. Here 20 and 4 both are string because I have written it within double quotation, and then pressed enter, and that two values, two strings are concatenated, and then we get the result 204. So whenever we are trying to add some strings, two strings, then we cannot add because the plus will act as a concatenated operator, not a binary operator. That means it will not add two numbers, it will add only, or it will concat only the two strings. Now if you, in the next example, here I have written that int, then within double quotation 2. So int function will convert the string 2 into its corresponding integer number, and then plus, and then again int within double quotation 6, then the 6 will be converted to its corresponding integer number. Then we will get the result. Sorry, it is not 6, it was 4, so we'll get the result 6. So this is the actual function of int where we actually convert the string into integer, corresponding integer or corresponding number. Now again I will demonstrate the function input. Here I have written x is equal to input, then within bracket enter the first number. Here the input function always return a string value. Okay, so whenever we press enter, the line will be interpreted and the program will get run, and then you will see the line enter the first number. So here if you enter any value, then the input function will return that value as a string and will assign that value into the variable x. So here we will enter a value four. Okay, so again I was writing that y is equal to input, enter the second number, and again I have entered 5. So if we print, so the 5 becomes string because the input function converts it as string and return the 5 value as a string and assign the value to 5. Now if we add x and y, what we will see? print within bracket x plus y, then it will concatenate 4 and 5 and return 45. Students, I hope you are understanding this thing. So, concatenation, after concatenation, the print x plus y will have written the value 4, 5. So, instead of 4, 5, if numbers, it were not numbers, so that's why we didn't get 9. Instead of 9, we got 44, 5, or not 45, 4, 5. Now, again I am writing input, then enter the first number. Again, x is equal to input, enter the first number, and again I am entering the first number as 5. This is another example. Then again I am taking a value using the input function, and I think I had entered the value 5, 4, 4, 4. Yes. Again I am, yes, enter the second number. So here 4 I have entered. Now the 4 will be assigned into y. 5 was assigned to x and 4 is assigned to y. Now if you print x plus y, you will get again the concatenated value 5, 4 instead of getting the number 9. Now here comes the use of int function. If you just write x is equal to int, then first parenthesis open, then write input, then again you open the first parenthesis, then you write enter the first number, then close the parenthesis for input function, and then close the first parenthesis of int function. So here whatever value you will enter through the keyboard, that is 5, it will be converted from string to integer and will be assigned to x. Now again y is equal to int, input, enter the second number. Now the second number, whatever you will enter, that is 4, it will be converted into int and will be assigned to the variable y. Now you do the same thing, that is print x plus y. You will get 9, because here both the value 5 and 4 are converted into integer number, and then if we are adding the x with y, we are getting 9 instead of 5, 4. Okay, here plus is the operator, and it is adding both, it is adding two integer numbers. Now, another thing, if you just write int, then within bracket 5.8, you only show the 5, because the rest of the part, that is the fractional part, will not be displayed, it will be truncated. And if you just write round, then 2.90, then you will get the result 3. So these are the different functions we have learned till now in Python. Now here I am giving you an assignment, that is write a program in Python to calculate area of a triangle. Using Heron's formula, that is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So using this formula, you can write a program which will calculate the area of a circle. This is your task or assignment. Maybe after a few days I will upload this coding for you, but first of all you try, and if you want to contact me for my online Python classes, then you can contact me through my messenger or through WhatsApp number, what I will